Hello everyone, welcome to Salika Mag. Today I am going to start a dressmaking for beginners course. I'm your sewing instructor Sara. I have 3 years of diploma and 9+ years of teaching experience. I'm very excited to start this beginners course, and in this course you will learn how to take the measurement, make the pattern, trace pattern, make the neckline, how to attach the sleeves, and machine handling, and each and everything that beginner should know. Step by step we will move forward, and if any question you can ask me, and so in this way we will go further. At the end of the course you will be able to make your own dress by taking your own measurement and make your own pattern. So all these techniques I will teach you step by step. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so every time I will upload a video of this series dressmaking for beginners, you will get a notification. And don't forget to hit the like button. So let's start today's lesson. Today's lesson is about how to take the body measurement. That is very important because if you take your measurement in a correct way, then only you will able to make your pattern correctly. So first thing is to take your shoulder measurement. You have to take your shoulder measurement from the back side, from this point to the other point, and make sure that it should be start from the joints. You can feel here on your shoulder the joints, so from one joint to the other joint, otherwise it will go more down. So make sure that your points are accurate. So this way you have to take your shoulder measurement. Take a pencil and pen and write down all your measurement step by step. So the next measurement for pattern making is your chest measurement or your bust measurement. So you have to take your bust measurement from the heaviest part of your bust or your chest, and you have to make your measuring tape something like this. And make sure, even if you are making your fitted dress, you have to put 2 fingers inside to give it a ease, otherwise your dress won't fit you. So make sure here it should be ease. Put 2 fingers and it should be movable, and your measuring tape should be straight. Now the next measurement is waist measurement. You can feel on your body where your curve is deepest on your waist. You can take from that measurement, and if you are so bulky, no worries, you can take from chest to down at least 5 inches down, and that is your waist. So from that point you can measure your waist. So next is hip. Again you have to take on the heaviest part of your hip. See, something like this, and again you have to put 2 fingers to make it to give it a ease, something like this. And see the middle of your hip, the heaviest part, take the middle from that point, and that's how you have to take your hip measurement. Hope you understand till here. Any question you can ask me. So we will move to the next measurement. So our next measurement is armhole. That is here around your armhole. And one thing is you can take it by formula. Armhole is chest divided by 4 minus ½ inch. So you will get your armhole. Otherwise you can measure your armhole by measuring around your measuring tape around your armhole. So in this way you can get your armhole. But the formula chest divided by 4 minus ½ inch means 0.5. Also you will get your armhole. But otherwise if you want on the body, that's how you have to take your measuring tape. No need to ease here because this is in round cutting, so here we don't need to make a ease. Take exact measurement. So move to the next measurement, that is total length. So total length depend on your style, whatever dress you are going to make, a t-shirt or blouse or full dress. So but the main point is that keep your measuring tape on the highest point of that is near your neck, and put a finger here just down of your chest, because here is a curve. If you don't put your finger here, your dress will come up, because here on the curve you need some extra fabric. So that's how you have to take your full length. So guys, our next measurement is neckline width and depth. So consider this point is your center point, and put your measuring tape on the highest point, and then till down you can take 8 inches or 7 inches or 6 inches. So it depends on your choice, and as this is the center point, you can take on the one side the width of your neckline. Again, it depends, you want 3 or 4. This is totally on personal choice. Some people like the wider neckline, and some don't want that much wider, and also it depends on the style and fashion and all these things. So our next measurement is the sleeve length. So you have to bend your sleeve a little if you are making a full sleeve, because if you don't bend while taking the measurement, it will go up after making your sleeve. So that's how you have to make it a ease. To give it a ease, you have to take your measurement a little bent of your sleeves, and then whatever is your required length, at the same point you have to take your width. So width again depend, you are making half sleeve or quarter sleeve, exactly at that point you can measure. And width also depend on choice, if you want fitted one or you want loose one. If you want full sleeve, you can take like this, the width of your sleeve. So this is the sleeve length. So hope till here you understand all the points. So guys, this was our first video of learn dressmaking for beginners, and let's recap. We learned how to take the body measurement, and in next video we will learn how to make the pattern from all these measurements, like shoulder, chest, waist, hip, total length. All these measurement we will calculate, and then we start making a basic pattern. So please give me your feedback that if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the like button, so more people will know that this video is good. So hope to join you in the next video. In next video you will make your own pattern, a very basic pattern, and then we will move to how to start a cutting. So step by step all video will come. So don't forget to subscribe and hit like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.